Hello and welcome to this new video tutorial of CS Card Progressive Web App. Now the Progressive Web App brings mobile app-like experience to your users without requiring them to install an app from the app or the Play Store. It uses web compatibilities and provides an app-like experience to the users there. So just by installing and configuring the add-on, that's the CS Card Progressive Web App, the CS Card Store admin can launch a progressive web app with the support of push notification features as well. So in today's video tutorial, I'll be showing you how using the mobile browser, a user can install the progressive web app on his Android home page and the rest of the workflow there. But before I continue further with this particular video tutorial there, please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive the latest updates from our end. And if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. So right now you can see that I'm on my Android device and I'm having one of the browsers there, that's the Chrome browser. So what I'll do is I'll open the website there for the CS card. I've already opened it up. Now let me refresh it up for the first time loading there. So as soon as it loads for the first time, you can see that here we have the option wherein the website is asking that it wants to send you the notifications. So to receive the push notifications that the admin has created from the backend panel in the CS card, you have to tap here on the allow option. Now after tapping on the allow option here, you can see that in the address bar the notifications have been set up, and you can see the URL as well of the website there for the CS card, and this is the CS card website itself, and the customers can navigate through any portion of this particular website. Now how to add this particular progressive web app onto our mobile device? For that, here you can see on the bottom end we have the add WKPWA to the home screen. You can access this section, or you can also go to this section on the top right hand corner. You have to tap on the three dots, and here you have to tap on the install app option. So both of the things basically install the app on your Android device there. So for now what I'll be doing is I'll be using the add WKPWA to the home screen option in the bottom end that we can see here. So if I scroll up, it has gone. If I scroll up again, it has come up again. So let me tap on that, and let's tap here on the install option. Now this would start installing the progressive web app on the Android device itself. So let the app install itself. It will take a few moments there for the app to install. So you can see that the shortcut to the PWA has been created on the desktop, on the Android desktop there. So let's go to the section there. So here you can see that the progressive web app for the CS card store has been installed on the Android device. Now I can access the CS card store using this progressive web app basically. So as I've told you that the progressive web app brings the mobile app like experience to your users without requiring them to install an app from the app or the Play Store, and it uses the web compatibilities and provides an app-like experience to the users. So to open the progressive web app, I just need to tap that up. You'll see a particular splash screen first, and then we'll be able to see the CS card website itself. So here is the CS card website. Now here you can notice that at the top we have this splash screen background color, and there's no URL, so this is just an app. And if I go back to the home screen, I can open it up again, and I can scroll through the website there as per my own requirement. I can go to any of the product pages. For example, if I go to the hot deals, for example, this would navigate us to the particular product page with an so here we are getting an app-like experience. So basically the website has been converted into a progressive web app itself, and the website is being portrayed as an app itself. So here you can see that we have the different options. So from here we can add the products into the cart as well as we did on the browser there. We can go for a checkout as well if you want. So from here we can select the details, the payment methods, and place the order as per our own requirement there. So yes, that was much about the CS card progressive web app, and I hope it helped you out in understanding how it brings the mobile app like experience to your users without requiring them to install an app from the Apple or the Play Store. And the admin just needs to install and configure the add-on, and can launch the PWA with the support of push notification features as well. So in the coming video, I'll be showing you the backend configuration of this CS Card Progressive Web app in the admin backend panel for the CS Card web store itself. So for today's video, that's much, and I hope it helped you out there. If you still have any questions, queries, suggestions, or requirements, then you can anytime get back to us at support@webkul.com, or you can raise a ticket at webkul.uvides.com as well. Apart from that, if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. And lastly, thanks for watching this particular video and have a great day ahead.